Guys, it's Kevin Walters here from the Event Resources Group, and I wanted to share with you some tips and some advice and some of my views of the event industry. It's a beautiful day here in Hampton Court, and this is the place, it's just up on the road from me, and I actually live on a Dutch barge which is being converted. So enough about me. Okay, my number one moan about the event industry. When people come to me and they say that they're starting, we're looking to do an event. We're going to quote on an event. We've got an annual event. It's the same event we do it every year. And the first thing I say to them is, why are you doing the event? Oh, it's a Christmas party, it's a celebration, it's a product launch, etc. That's not good enough. You've actually got to sit down and work out what is the absolute essence of what you're looking for in your event. Otherwise, I say to my clients, why are you spending this money on this event? So you've got to look, you've got to reach down inside of yourself and find out exactly what you're looking for. Are you looking for data? Are you looking for leads? Are you looking for sales? Are you looking for promotion? Are you looking for brand awareness? Now, a lot of people think, oh yeah, this is straightforward, we know this stuff. People don't. People come to my courses and they really are surprised when I say, why are you doing this event? And even stronger, I say to them, why are you doing this event? If you don't really know the answer to that, you shouldn't be spending the money. Anyway, that's enough from me today. I'll speak to you again tomorrow.